My ex is dragging their feet on signing the order. What can I do? If the other party in your case is dragging their feet or not signing the order or continuously coming up with new reasons why they will not sign the order, you do have a remedy. That remedy is called a motion to sign. This is where you file a motion with the court asking the court to sign the order without that party's signature. This motion will only be heard and it will only be granted if you are entitled to judgment. That would mean that a judge has given a rendition of a ruling or you've entered into a mediated settlement agreement with the other party. If you have entered into a mediated settlement agreement with the other party, you are entitled to judgment based off that mediated settlement agreement. If a judge has given you a ruling or a rendition, you are entitled to judgment based off that ruling and rendition. The only caveat is the order that you are presenting to the judge must conform with that rendition, that ruling, that mediated settlement agreement. But if it does and you are entitled to judgment, you can file a motion with the court asking the court to sign the order without the other party's signature. Another situation where a motion to sign is necessary is if the parties cannot agree to the verbiage or the language or some of the criteria built into that order. If the parties can't agree and they have very differing opinions on maybe what a ruling meant, then both sides can draft what they think it meant. We can bring those dueling orders to the court and have the judge decide. Judge, did you mean this or did you mean this? And the judge will agree with one of the parties and sign that order. So the parties aren't living under this limbo of having an order but not having a real order and being entitled to some sort of judgment based off a ruling, a rendition, or a mediated settlement agreement, but not having that order to back that up. If you are successful on a motion to sign hearing, the judge will go ahead and just sign that order, and then at least all the parties have closure and the case will be closed. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, leave them down below.